Okay, hello. Today we're going to learn how to draw tall buildings in one-point perspective, including windows and doors. So again, one-point perspective is when you have one vanishing point and the lines are drawn to it to create an appearance of three-dimensional objects slowly getting further away. So you're creating illusionary space that's getting deeper towards the vanishing point. Okay, so we'll start from the beginning, how we're going to draw this. Okay, so first step is we're going to use our ruler, of course, and we're going to create a horizon line. Okay, so again, we're going to line up the ruler to the edge of the paper, okay, the best we can. Okay, and we can make our vanishing point. Okay, so the first step is we're going to make one rectangle that's going to cross the horizon line. So it looks kind of closer to us, okay? And again, I'm lining up my ruler to the edge of the paper to try to make my vertical line as best I can. Okay, so again, I made two vertical lines, and now I'm going to make two horizontal lines. Again, lining up your ruler really helps you create those true positions. Okay, and there we go. Okay, so there's my rectangle. Okay, so you can erase the line if you want so we don't get confused. Okay, so far this is going to be the side of the building. Now from the top corner to the bottom corner, I'm going to draw to the vanishing point. Okay, went over the line a little. That's okay. And I'll do it again at the bottom here. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're going to create, this will be the front of the buildings and this will be the side. Okay, so now to find the front, I'm going to make another parallel vertical line. Okay, so again, line up the best I can. And voila. Okay, so now my building is ready. So now again, this is the side. And this is the front. Okay, now we're going to make another building that looks like it's going further back. We're going to stay within these perspective lines. Okay, so I'm going to draw two parallel vertical lines. Okay, just like, again, so all my verticals should be parallel. Okay, so far, let's see what we got. We have just the front, we need the side. So the side, as you can see, is a rectangle. So we're not going to see the whole rectangle, but we're going to make some more horizontal lines. So boom. And boom, okay? Now I'll erase the extra lines we don't need, and voila. Now we have two buildings, okay? One is going further back into space. I'll make a third building, okay? So again, watch what I do again. I do two vertical lines, two horizontal lines. All right, and again, you can erase these extra perspective lines you don't want. And now my building, now I have three buildings, okay? Now to make the windows and doors, this is what we're going to do. So the first one, we'll make a door in this first building, okay? So all you're going to do is make one vertical line. That's it, okay? And then what we're going to do, we're going to draw the top of that vertical line to the vanishing point, and what's going to happen is now we're set up for the other side of the door. So I'm going to draw again, another, lining up my ruler, another parallel vertical, and there's my door. My door is ready. And now it's ready for the next buildings. As you can see, what you have to do is add two vertical lines. Again, I know it's going fast, but you can always rewind it as many times as you need, okay? Now we'll do the windows, okay? So we're going to make three stories, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to draw three vertical lines to line up my windows, and now they're ready to go. So again, just like the door, I'm going to draw from the top of these lines to the vanishing point. Okay. And again, it's going to be set up for every building, as you can see. Okay, so, okay. And now I'm going to show the other side of the window. I'm just going to make one single windows for these stories. Okay, so I'm just going to, and there's my windows. Okay. Now, we don't want any perspective lines on the side of the building, so I'm going to get rid of them. And now, as you can see, that they're all ready for the next building. So all you have to do is draw your parallel vertical lines. Okay, and then the faraway building is treated the same way. As you can see, it's getting kind of small over there, okay? And, I'll kind of sometimes I shade them so you can kind of see them, so they kind of stand out more, okay? So yeah, then you make sure you erase the lines you don't need. Now, if there's a window or door over here, you don't have to draw it in perspective. You literally just need to draw a rectangle. Okay, I'm making a big door. Nice big door. Okay, so as you can see, if you're looking straight at it, it just looks like that. Okay, then we can make our street. And here's another fun thing we could do. We can make looks like a city block. So if you notice what I'm doing here, I'm lining it up. Boom, and there's my city block. Okay, we can make a curb. Go a little fast. I make a line there, and we can make a little curve here. Okay. Again, it's all done with verticals, horizontals, and diagonals. And then I forgot one thing. We can do the driveway. So again, I'm going to make some parallel horizontal lines, and you could do a lot of fun stuff with perspective. You know, it's a good skill to have. Whoop, that one messed up a little there, but it's okay. Okay, and there you go. And before you know it, you'll have something that looks like this. Okay, well, enjoy.